Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10, chapter 1 where we started already. From that chapter 1, that is real numbers, exercise 1, we have seen first question. Now let's see the second question. What is our second question? Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. What they have given, we are talking in this question, we have to prove that any positive odd integers like 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Or in this question we are talking about positive odd integers. Positive odd integers. Okay. Any odd number is divided by 2, then obviously its remainder will be 1. What will be the remainder? 1 will be the remainder. Any number can be written in the form of 2n plus 1. Any number can be written in the form of 2n plus 1 format. It will be known as odd integer. Here n is positive integer. Here n is positive odd integer. Any number written in the form of 2n format, 2m format, it will be known as even number, even integer. Okay. Remember these 2 points. Any number can be written in the form of 2n plus 1 format. It is known as odd integer, and any number written in the form of 2n format, it is known as even. So now let's see here what they have given in our question. Let's observe 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 they have given. Observe these numbers properly, these integers. Here 6 divisor, quotient and remainder they have given. Divisor, quotient, remainder. They didn't given any dividend number. Let's take any number. Let x is our dividend. X is equal to 6 divisor they have given already. So 6 divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. According to what form you are getting this one? According to on which form we are getting this one? Okay. You all remember Euclidean's division lemma? In that format only we are getting this one. So in this r is the divisor. Sorry, this 6 is the divisor. For this 6 divisor, we are having what all the reminders we will get now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 we can't get because again 6 will be divided with 6. Then we are not getting 6 as the remainder. So only these numbers we will be getting as the reminders. So now let's see in the first case r is equal to 0. Put r is equal to 0. X is equal to 6q plus r. So x is equal to 6q. In this we take common as 2. 3q we can write na. Okay, plus r means 0. So x is equal to 2 3q. This 3q is in the form of n, or else we can write m also. We can take m also, no problem. So x is equal to 2m. We are not having anything here, so obviously it will be 0. So it is in the form of 2m or 2n, then it will be even form. Okay. Now next second case we take r is equal to 1. X is equal to 6q plus 1 directly we are taking here. So again x is equal to take common 2, 3q plus 1. So again this 3q is in the form of m. So x is equal to 2m plus 1. It is in the format of 2n plus 1. So it will be obviously odd one. Now next let's take r is equal to 2. This 0 over 1 over. Now next take let's r is equal to 2. X is equal to 6q plus 2. Take again 2 common as usual. So x is equal to 2 3q plus 1. These two we are taking as only one form only. In the one form only we are taking. So x is equal to 2 3q plus 1. So obviously this 3q plus 1 is the m format. Any number with 2 will be obviously quotient only. So x is equal to 2m. Nothing is there, so directly we can add 0. So again 2m format it is. So it will be again even. You all getting? Okay, next let's take r is equal to 3. So x is equal to 6q plus 3. In this we can't take 2 common because here we are having 3. So take x is equal to 6q plus this 3 we can break as 2 plus 1. We can write in this way, na? Okay. Now we can take common. X is equal to 3q plus 1. This plus 1 as it is. This from this we have taken common 3q plus 1 and this plus 1. So x is equal to 2m plus 1. Again it is in the format of 2n plus 1. Then it will be odd one. So now let's take r is equal to 4. X is equal to 6q plus 4. So again in this we can take common as 2. So 2 as the common. 3q plus 2. X is equal to any number with 2 is obviously it's the quotient. It will be m only. So x is equal to 2m format. Again it will be even number, even integer. So again last one let's take r is equal to 5. X is equal to 6q plus 5. This x is equal to 6q plus 5 we are having. For this 5 we can't take 2 as a common, na? So again we take 6q plus this 5 we are breaking as 4 plus 1. We can write in this way. So now take common of 2. X is equal to 2 3q plus 2. Here plus 1. Again this 2 3q plus 2 is in the m format. So x is equal to 2m plus 1. It is again 2n plus 1 format. Then it will be obviously odd one. So what the question they have asking here, show that any positive or odd integers 6q plus 1 is odd, 6q plus 3 again 6q plus 3 is odd, 6q plus 5 it is also odd. Hence proved this question. I hope you all understood. Thank you.